So here we have been given two vectors x and y, and v is given as it is equal to x cross y. Okay, so if you looked at the last video about vector product, you know the output is equal to we found that out as it is equals to 80 minus 60 and minus 55. Okay, now what I want you to do is do this in the opposite way. Find out y cross x. Find out y cross x. Well, y cross x will be equal to I, j, k, a into, so you have 10 minus 5, 20 here because y is in the first place. And then we have 3, 4, 3. So it will be equal to I into minus 5 into 0, obviously it's 0, minus 20 into 4, it will be minus 80, minus j into 10 into 0, it's 0, and then minus 20 into 3, so it's equals to minus 60, plus k into 10 into 4 is equals to 40, minus 5 into 3 is equals to plus 15, so it will be 55. So the final output is equals to minus 80i plus 60j plus 55k. Minus 80i plus 60j and plus 55k. So if you looked at this, okay, x cross y is equal to 80 minus 60 minus 55. Y cross x is equal to minus 80 plus 60 plus 55. So the idea is that x cross y is equal to minus y cross x. Okay. What will be the value of x cross x? Yeah. What will be the value of x cross x? Let's find that out. So x cross x will be equal to, let's draw the determinant first of all. And the determinant will have I, j, and k. Yeah. The determinant will have I, j, and k. So it will be 340. And since we are doing the vector product again, so it will be 340. It can be given as I into 4 into 0, 0, 0 into 4, 0. So it will be 0 minus j into 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0. So it will be 0 plus k into, you will have 3 into 4, 12 minus 4 into 3 minus 12. That is also equal to 0, which means it is equal to a null vector. Okay. So if you do the vector product on the same vector, okay, you will get the output as a zero vector or a null vector. Okay, so that's the another property of a vector product. Okay, that is given as x cross x is equal to 0. Okay, so what I want to show here, okay, what I want to show here is the vector product, okay, the vector product of A cross B plus C, okay, A cross B plus C is always equal to A cross B plus A cross C. That's what I want to show you, okay. So you will do the vector product with the first one and then the vector product with the second one, but the output will be the same, okay, in both sides. Let me prove that to you. So we know B plus C will be equals to 4, 5, 4. Okay. So A cross B plus C will be can be found out as I, J, and K. So here we have A first. So 2 minus 1, 4. Then B plus C. So 4, 5, and 4. This will be equals to I into minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 4 into 5 minus 20. So it will be minus 24 minus J into 2 into 4 is equals to 8 minus 4 into 4 is equals to minus 16. So 8 minus 16 is equals to minus 8 plus k into 2 into 5 is equals to 10. 10 minus minus 1 into 4 will be equals to plus 4, so it will be 14. So the output is minus 24i plus 8j plus 14k. Now let's find out A cross B. So here LHS is equal to minus 24, 8, and 14. Okay. Now we are checking for RHS. A cross B can be given as I, J, and K. So 2 minus 1, 4. And then we have B, so that is 3, 0, minus 2. So the output will be given as I into minus 1 into minus 2, 2. 2 minus 0, so it will be 2. Minus J into 2 minus 2 is equals to minus 4. And then 4 into 3 is equals to 12, but we have to put a minus before, so it will be minus 4 and minus 12, so it will be minus 16. Plus K into 2 into 0, 0, minus minus 1 into 3, so it will be minus 3, minus minus 3, so it will be plus 3. So I'll write it down as 3. So the output is 2I plus 16J plus 3K. Okay, so now we have A cross C. So the same drill applies to here, is also applied here. So we have 2 minus 1, 4, and 1, 5, and 6. So this will be equals to I into minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus my 4 into 5. So minus 26. Okay. Minus J into, okay. So 2 into 6, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. So it's easy. And then K into 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus minus 1, 11. Yeah, it will be equals to 11. So the value is equals to minus 26I minus 8J plus 11K. So RHS is equals to A cross B plus A cross B. So that is equals to 2, 16, 3 plus minus 26 minus 8 plus 11. So that is equals to minus 24, 8, 14. See, RHS is equals to LHS. Therefore, this property of product can be applied directly. The other property states that if you have K, a scalar, okay, a scalar into, okay, A cross B, okay, the output can be given as two ways. One is KA cross B or A cross KB. It's your wish. Okay, you can multiply with a number that is useful for you. Okay, so let's say we have, so we can say that 2A cross B is equals to 2A cross B or A cross 2B. Okay, so this must be true. And in the you can do that and see. Okay, I'm gonna go through this very quickly. Okay, so here we have 2 into A cross B. So first of all, let's find out A cross B. A cross B is equals to I, K, and K. So 2 minus 1, 4, 3, 0, and minus 2. So that is equals to I into minus 1 minus 2, 2. So it will be 2 minus J into 2 into minus 2 minus 4. It's 12 minus 4 and minus 12, so minus 16. And plus K into 0, so it will be 3. So the output is 2I plus 16J plus 3K. Okay, so A cross B can be given as this. So 2A cross B will be equals to 4, 32, and 6. Okay, so what about 2A cross B? Well, that is equal to I, K, K. 2A is given as 4 minus 2, 8, and we have 3, 0, minus 2. So that will be equals to I into 4 minus J into minus 8 minus 24 minus 32. And here we have plus K into 0 plus 6. So it will be 6. So the value is equals to 4I plus 32J plus 6K. So the idea is the value will be equal to 2A cross B is equals to 4, 32, 6. You can also do in this way and find the answer, but the thing is the property stands nevertheless. Okay, so yeah, so this is the another property that you can apply directly. Okay, so these are the main properties. Let me do a summary for you. The thing is A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. And since K into A cross B can be given as K A cross B is also equal to A cross KB, we can rewrite this as minus B cross A or B cross minus A. That's your wish. Then we have A cross A, which is equal to 0. Okay, A cross A, which is equal to 0. And then we have A cross B plus C is equals to A cross B plus the A cross C. Okay, so that's all I wanted to focus on in this video.
Thanks for watching the 23rd video in our vector series. If you found this explanation of the properties of the vector product helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Check out the full playlist to master vectors. Follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye bye.